Valdostana-style cutlets are a typical main course in the cuisine of the Aosta Valley and consist of breaded veal cutlets stuffed with raw ham and Fontina cheese. This dish combines tender veal with the intense flavor of the cheese and ham, resulting in a tasty and highly appreciated dish. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 4 veal cutlets, about 1.5 centimeters thick, 4 slices of raw ham, 100 to 150 grams of Fontina DOP, flour as needed, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs as needed, butter as needed, seed oil as needed for frying, salt and pepper as needed. Preparation: start by slightly beating the veal cutlets to flatten them a bit, being careful not to break them. Cut the Fontina into thin slices. Place a slice of raw ham on each cutlet, and on top of it the slices of Fontina, avoiding the edges. Stack another veal cutlet on top of each filling, as if to make a sandwich, and press the edges to seal them. Dredge the stuffed cutlets first in flour, then in the beaten eggs with salt and pepper, and finally in the breadcrumbs, making sure everything adheres well. In a pan, melt some butter with a little oil to prevent it from burning, and fry the cutlets until they become golden brown on both sides. At this point, you can finish cooking in the pan, or even better, transfer the cutlets to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes to melt the Fontina properly. Finally, serve hot. Interesting facts: Fontina is a cheese with a rich and creamy flavor, perfect for melting over various dishes. The Valdostana tradition in terms of gastronomy is closely linked to dairy production, and Fontina is an outstanding example. Remember that the key to this dish is the quality of the ingredients, so try to get your hands on the best raw ham and Fontina you can find.